to make cloves and rose water hair growth mask at home. Take 2 tablespoons of clove powder, 1/2 cup of rose water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Next, mix them well to make a hair mask. Now, divide the hair into 2 equal parts. In the next step, apply this mask from the scalp to the tips by massaging it well in the hair. Then, cover your hair with a shower cap. In the end, wash the hair after an hour with a mild shampoo. For best results, use this hair mask on your hair twice a week. By using this mask, hair fall will reduce to a great extent within a month. Cloves stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, which helps in hair growth. Its use provides relief from itching in the scalp as it contains anti-itch ingredients. Cloves also protect hair from premature graying because of antioxidant elements present in it. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.